right, so now we get to the electric panel. You know, first thing I like to do is slap it with the back of my hand, make sure the panel's not hot. Then I open it up. You could tell already that it's a newer panel. Like to look at the main breaker. It's a 200 amp breaker. You want to match up over here, make sure that this says 200 amps. Make sure it does have a label on it and everything is labeled nice. So once I'm at this point, I'm going to take off the cover. Once the cover is off, I'm looking at the panel. I like to start up top and kind of work down. So up top, I'm looking at the wire type. This is all vinyl wiring. It's copper. I'm noting that it's copper. I'm noting that it's vinyl. Coming down over here, I'm making sure that the main wire coming in fits a 200 amp panel. And then I start going down. So now I'm looking at the breakers, the brands. You know, everything right here is beautifully labeled, which is great. Your neutrals, making sure that the neutrals are all single lug, that they're not doubled up. Making sure that the grounds are all good. Making sure that the grounds aren't paired up with the neutrals.